Hello and welcome back. We are so happy to have you here with us today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Davis. On this channel, we help you master natural English through real conversations. It's fun, easy, and effective.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us out and keeps us motivated to make more lessons for you.
Exactly. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful topic: how to answer, "How was your weekend?"
You know, Davis, there is a special feeling on Monday morning. People call it the Monday blues. Everyone is tired, the coffee hasn't kicked in yet, and then your boss walks over and asks, "So, Davis, how was your weekend?"
Oh, I know that feeling. It's panic. Your mind goes blank. You just say, "Good. It was good." And the conversation dies instantly. It's so awkward.
Exactly. That is a boring answer. Today, we want to help you kill the conversation in a good way. We want you to be a storyteller.
We will upgrade your vocabulary from basic words like good and went to advanced expressions that make you sound smart and interesting. We will cover 3 types of weekends: the lazy weekend, the productive weekend, and the adventure weekend. Are you ready? Let's jump right in.
Let's start with the most common one. Davis, be honest. What did you really do last weekend?
To be honest, Sarah, I had a very low-key weekend.
Low key. That is a great phrase. Can you explain it to our listeners?
Low-key means quiet, relaxed, and not busy. I didn't want to see anyone. I just wanted to recharge my batteries. I spent the whole Saturday in my pajamas.
Did you go out at all?
No, I ordered food delivery and I binge-watched the new series on Netflix. I watched 10 episodes in a row. I felt a little guilty, but it was glorious.
Don't feel guilty. Sometimes we need that. In English, we call that being a couch potato, just sitting on the couch like a potato, doing absolutely nothing.
Exactly. So, if a coworker asks you, "What did you do?" don't just say, "Nothing." Say, "I had a much-needed lazy weekend. I just chilled out and caught up on some sleep."
Caught up on sleep. That sounds productive in its own way. But Davis, I know you. Usually you are not a couch potato. You are usually very busy. What about the weekend before that?
You are right. That weekend was jam-packed.
Jam-packed? Like strawberry jam?
No, jam-packed means completely full. I had no free time because I had to run errands.
Running errands. That is essential vocabulary. It means doing small, necessary tasks, like going to the bank, grocery shopping, or fixing things around the house.
Yes, I went grocery shopping, I mowed the lawn, and I did my laundry. It wasn't exactly fun, but it was satisfying. I felt very accomplished.
I admire that. Sometimes getting your life organized is the best feeling. So if your weekend was boring but busy, you can say, "It was productive. I finally crossed some things off my to-do list."
That makes you sound very professional. Bosses love hearing that answer. But Sarah, let's talk about the fun stuff. Sometimes we actually do cool things. Tell me about your trip to the mountains last month.
Oh, that was a getaway. A getaway is a short vacation. I went hiking with friends. But Davis, something funny happened.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Well, we were hiking when suddenly it started to rain.
Listeners, notice her grammar. She used "we were hiking," that is the past continuous for a long action, and then "it started to rain," that is the past simple for the interruption. This makes the story dramatic.
Yes, we were completely soaked, wet from head to toe. But then we found a small cave and ate our sandwiches inside. It was miserable, but also hilarious. We laughed our heads off.
Laughed your heads off? Did your heads fall off?
No, it just means we laughed very hard. It was a memorable experience, not because it was perfect, but because it was a disaster.
That is the secret of storytelling. A perfect weekend is boring to listen to. A disaster weekend makes a great story.
Exactly. So if something bad happens, don't worry. Just think, this will be a great story for Monday morning.
Sarah, I have a question about social etiquette. What if I ask someone, "How was your weekend?" and they start talking for 20 minutes about every single detail?
Oh, that is a big mistake. That is called oversharing.
Right. The question, "How was your weekend?" is usually just small talk. It is polite. The other person usually doesn't want a 20-minute report.
So, the rule is keep it short and sweet. Give one or two details, and then, this is important, throw the ball back.
Throw the ball back?
Yes, ask them back. Say, my weekend was great. I went to the cinema. How about you?
The "how about you" creates a balance. It shows you care about them too.
Exactly. So let's review the 3 types of answers we learned today. First, for the lazy weekend, use words like low-key, recharge, and couch potato.
Second, for the productive weekend, use words like jam-packed, run errands, and catch up on things.
And third, for the story, use the past continuous for drama, I was walking, when, and idioms like soaked or laughed my head off.
And remember the golden rule of small talk. Don't overshare and always ask, "How about you?"
Now we have a challenge for you.
Yes, go to the comments section below. We want you to tell us about your real weekend. Was it low-key? Was it jam-packed? Or was it a disaster?
Use at least 2 of the new phrases we taught you today. For example, I had a low-key weekend because I needed to recharge.
We will be reading your stories. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you next Monday.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great week.